Stop manual captures, automate and keep scraping flowing. Nightly data pipelines finish without interruptions or human input. QA bots, scrapers and crawlers run seamlessly at scale. Capture interception automates challenge detection and solving workflow. Integrates via API or SDK for instant in-app orchestration. Low latency handlers, adaptive solving and parallel task routing. Reduces failed requests, boosting throughput and successful completions. Handles modern capture variants with high accuracy and resilience. Developers reclaim time previously spent on manual verification. Automation teams accelerate harvest rates and decision velocity. Plug into existing pipelines, no browser patches required now. Audit logs and usage metrics for transparent, accountable automation. Reduce manual interventions dramatically, increasing task speed significantly. Try capture interception in your staging environment today. Book a demo or start a free trial now.